What's good, YouTube, man? Listen, it's your boy. I know. I done took some time off. I've been slacking. I know. Y'all can get on me in the comment section if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta take time off from things that you enjoy. But with that being said, man, listen, y'all see what I mean. Well, y'all should know about the peanut butter interior like that. So, yeah, y'all know what I mean. But today is the day that I'm pretty sad about it. I get rid of this car, man. I don't know. I love this car. Yes, I love this car. But today is the day I get rid of this car. So drop in the comment section right now, you know what I'm saying, if y'all think y'all know what I want next. If y'all, you know what I'm saying, if y'all got some ideas of what I should get next, let me know in the comment section. But without further ado, man, I got a 45-minute ride to go deliver this car to this person, man. They already paid me. I'm pretty upset, you know. I probably should have kept it because they about to stop making these cars. And I feel like the value of them is gonna go up. So, man, listen, without further ado, man, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. Get this car going. Damn, I'm gonna miss this car, man. It is what it is, man. Things happen for a reason. Like I said, man, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This car is about to get some customization done to it today. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta go I'm on my way to drop it off to this dude right now, you know what I'm saying? So when I get this thing back, man, hopefully it's something that I like. You know what I'm saying? But who knows, man? I can't sell my car. Y'all should know from the intros that it was all jokes, man. I can't get rid of the Hellcat, man. I just love this car too much. But yeah, y'all see it, man. Peanut butter interior, sunroof, all this stuff right here. Nothing done to it right now. And I'm about to hit the interstate right now. I'm about to turn onto the interstate. So yeah, man. He did what I wanted him to do, and he came in clutch. I gotta give it to him. The cat know what he doing, bro. He really know what he doing. Real talk. Look at this, man. Look. Huh. Wait. Did y'all see that? This right here. Look, man. I got what I've been wanting. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Press that there. Right? Boom. And then you got that right there. I can change the color. Change the color. Red. That's really red. You can't really see it on camera. That's red. That green. Yellow. I can do a whole bunch of different color changes right here. It also got different modes, you know what I'm saying? So I can have it jump modes like that right there. It's a fade, color fade, if I really wanted to. Oh, I also got it where, you know what I'm saying, with the music too. So if I had a song playing, it'll change. The color things, it'll change with the song. But I ain't got no music playing for y'all, so I have to show y'all that another time. That's just step one now. That's just step one of what I'm about to do crazy with this car. Now listen, them park conversations, when it's dark outside, like late night cruises, park car conversations, you know what I'm saying? With this right here, oh my God. But listen, that's about to take you to a whole different level right there. Just that right there by itself. Now what I do with the rest of this car, man, it's about to go absolutely crazy too. I ain't gonna lie. It's about to be bunkers, you know what I'm saying? Bananas. Some of y'all probably say bananas, bunkers. Boo-boo crazy, yeah, all of that. Look, I ain't gotta have the car on for real. You know what I'm saying? The car ain't even on. It came with a Bluetooth, and it also came with a remote. It's in here somewhere, man. I don't know where it's at right now, but it came with a remote for me to play around with it. But anyway, man, listen. Shout out to my dog Mike, man. Shout out to my dog Mike, man. Y'all need any work done to your car, like Starlight headliners, LED lights, underglow lights, anything like that, man. Listen, I'm gonna have his Instagram down below in the description right there. His Instagram be in the description. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for still locking in with me, even though I haven't been posting. You know what I'm saying? Some people go through things in life, and I was going through one of those phases where everything was like all over me. But now I had to shake it up off of me, man. Now I'm feeling way better than ever. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, listen. Make sure y'all like the video. You know what I'm saying? That's number one. Make sure you like the video. If you new, Man, make sure you subscribe. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, you subscribe to the kid, you know what I'm saying, because I had a personal goal to get to 10K subs by the end of this year, you know what I'm saying. I'm currently like, you know, I say about 7,000 off. 7,000, 8,000 off, you know what I'm saying, maybe 8,000. I don't even know. I really don't care about it, to be honest. I just set a personal goal for me, you know what I'm saying, and I know that y'all can help me reach it. So that's number 2. And number 3, man, I really appreciate y'all again. Real talk, man. I really appreciate y'all, man. But from here, we going up. That's all I gotta say for y'all, man. But again, thank y'all for locking in with me. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, man. Tag some people in this video. Make sure they see that, man, because a lot of people ain't never seen nothing like this in a wide body Hellcat. Look, with the peanut butter guts. Look, that red said that peanut butter off. I ain't gonna count to you, but that's it for today's video, man. I'm out. Peace. Too legit.